right, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to The Price of Patience. All right, today on The Price of Patience, we're going to start off with a little bit of TA. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope if you traded options, I hope you smoked your options trades today. It was a great day for options traders. I'll just breeze past. Before we get into tonight's show, let me breeze past and just show you how great of a day it was for the red E today. All right, let's get on up. It was a heck of a day. I woke up late, per usual. I don't like to trade the open. If you watch the show and you know anything about me as a trader, I am not trading the open. I like to see the market develop, play it safe. And Money Markets does not play around. This guy's killing it every day. I'm loving it. Okay, so we got an $1,800 win on MU. Let's go. Loving that. Loving that. And it was a 0 DTE. Man, that's Mark, the leader of the Red E, out here killing it. Okay, another one. Somebody out here had Microsoft weeklies and made over 490% on weekly calls with Microsoft. Shout out to whoever that is. Money making Marcus in there with the 36% on MU. A lot of red E people playing MU. Yes, they killed it live and walked people through this trade live in the red E this morning. So 240% win on Google. Yep, yep. MU bounced around today. I think Shad made $1,000 on SPX calls today. Shout out to Shad. Congratulations, my guy. He paid very little and made a lot. This dude made $1,000 off of a $100 contract. Man, I gotta show him some love,
I
right?
must say, that's crazy. Good morning, everyone. I believe I was muted. I was talking to you. I was talking to everyone, but now I see I was muted. So,
I had no idea you were talking, bro. I was like,
uh,
I guess you're looking.
yeah, I mean, when I'm muted, you cannot know I'm talking. So,
We got to
well,
figure out how to make that happen.
yeah, good evening, good morning. And yeah, I haven't even noticed those games. That was a very nice play.
Crazy play.
Plays, better to say. Plays.
Yeah, they're winning. They're winning. So yeah, I guess that's the last one. I made 276% on QQQ calls today.
Only.
Money markets. Yeah, that's it. It's nothing compared to these
You went
MU.
light. You went light, huh?
I did. I honestly did. I was trying man, that was one contract. It's crazy work. I wanted four more, but it just didn't turn out that way. And it's just win after win after win. Y'all got to get in ready options trading. If you're not in ready options trading, look, and then I knew exactly where price was going. Just like I do on here, I know my levels, right? So we had a level at 701.50 and QQQ rejected and just bounced around for the rest of the day. I played puts, made 60% on the way down and the 200% on the way up, called it a day. And that was that, man. So just win after win after win. You're winning so much here in the Red E, you'll get tired of winning. So if you want to join the
Mm.
Red E, check out the link in the description below. But without further ado, let's get in some TA. Let's check out what we're going to win tonight. Looks like we're doing some consolidation on the 15. So we're going to start off with a little bit of TA. Let's check this out. What does the daily chart tell us? Bullish, bullish, bullish.
Foolish. Yeah.
There's like this overwhelming bullishness where we're just pushing through the levels that we thought we'd reject that. We came up to the 14 SMA and on the daily and rejected and then opened up the next day with a boom candle to take out and become a strat two to push through resistance And now we're just eating through this thick wall of resistance as we set a new trend. Eventually, we are going to pull back. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about our target for tonight and when we're going to pull back and just kind of take a breather.
Mm.
And I think I have a pretty good idea of the forecast of how this trend is going to go. But let's hurry up because it's going to leave without us. All right. So, boom, here we go. We're looking at the daily on the cues because this is how I like to do the TA for us. Let me, okay, I'm zoomed out the magical amount. Right. Okay. Perfect. 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 So yeah, here we are on the cues, and yes, this is our target right around this 710, 711 area on the cues. Keep in mind, currently we are around, I think about 702. This overnight price on the daily doesn't show the after hours for some reason, so we're gonna kind of zoom in. But yes, just remember our target on the daily is 709 to 711. So once we get to that area, I am expecting us to cool off. But let's zoom in a little bit and see what that means for us on the cues. But before actually, let's see what that means on the cues here on NASDAQ here. So we're looking for this little kind of hammer, bearish green bearish hammer next to a doji. Let's go see where that is on our daily chart here. We have a green bearish hammer. Do we? Green bearish hammer next to a doji. Right about here. Okay, so this is our target area, and lo and behold, we have a key level here. So our target on the cues is going to be 29,975. All right, or 29,980. And we've talked about that level before, and here we are talking about it again. So we're looking for 29,980. Yeah, where'd it go? Yeah, okay. Bearish hammer next to a doji here, right around here. Okay, good, good, good. So yeah, 29,980 all the way up to about 30,000, 30,000. We're talking about 1,000 points from here up. We still got plenty of room to go. All right, so that's where we're pushing to. And then I would say we can start to look for pullbacks. We have another key level in the way here. I haven't really charted out my key levels like that down in this area. So it's something that can definitely be done. Let's back up to the 4 hour. We'll talk a little bit about what we're seeing on the 4 hour for the volume profile and for the levels and for the price action. Okay. So what do we have here? All right. The 4 hour is, um, it's looking like a inverse head and shoulder where we're just breaking out. And yeah, what is that? Okay. We have really the same target here. But we have an intermediate high value node here at 706. That's just, I think we're gonna see that tonight. So this would be my target for tonight. I don't know if we're gonna start to squabble around like we did on the left shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders. Start to squabble around when we get there. Right now, we're facing this bitty bit of resistance at the bottom of this consolidation on the left shoulder, and the right shoulder can do whatever it wants. It doesn't have to, follow the left shoulder. History will, rhyme doesn't have to repeat itself exactly, right? This is the market we're talking about. So we are looking for a continuation. It looks like the bulls are eating and absorbing the selling pressure and just creating dojis anytime price tries to wick down on the 4 hour. Um, I would say there's two things that could happen here. We could make this turn into like a Kamehameha pattern where, it just gets wider and keeps stopping out the bulls and the bears, and wider, stop out the bulls and the bears until finally it touches the EMA it wants to touch and blast off. And right now the 9 EMA is at 697, which is it's a little lower. Does that have confluence with anything? Not really. So I would expect the new 4 hour candle and the 9 EMA's movement from that 4 hour candle to kind of tell us something. I'm hoping maybe it has confluence with 694. Price already came back to the high value node and grabbed a bunch of liquidity there in New York session. So that wasn't even New York. That was Friday's session. So yeah, There we go. We're just looking for love in all the right places. So there we
Mm,
go to the hourly. What do we see on hourly? Um, you know, since we're now in a bullish trend, you can't really trust the volume profile to the downside. We're looking for the next highest volume node to the upside. And again, it's really just 706. So I don't really see any reason for price to do anything except maybe come kiss these fair value gaps, look for this consolidation on the hourly. This is like a low volume node comparatively to the volume that we're at. So if we come and dip here, if it does that Kamehameha thing we talked about, and we come to 696, it's the top of this. Okay, there's some confluences. Let's look at the hourly on NQ and just kind of see where that's going to take us, right? So we're looking, we could maybe come to 28,737. If we start to fall down, then I think we're going to catch our breath right there and just look for a continuation because there's a big volume node there, a lot of liquidity. We can easily bounce from the 680s, which is another level we talked about, or the 720s. And I'd even be eager to get into this and start a position as high as like the 730s because you don't want to miss the move and it's super bullish. So that's the hourly. And now we can really start to zoom in to the 15 minute. And we'll actually trade it on the 5 and the 15 and all that good stuff. But let's see what the 15 minute looks like here. So we swept some lows here and we could really be ready to take off because a lot of times this looks like a bull flag, an ugly bull flag, but it's somewhat of a bull flag. Came up, came down, came and swept the previous low here of the flag, which is really what you want to see. You see how buyers really kind of got faked out and was like, "Oh, this is the breakout," and psych, just kidding. This is Asia session, so don't get your hopes up. Don't get too excited. We might be waiting on the liquidity from London, or we might just want a surprise takeoff whenever Asia session decides it's ready. It's not like very eager to take off, right? So it's just grabbing liquidity. It's waiting for us, right? So this 9 EMA is really being respected on the 15 minutes. So I'm keeping an eye on it. If we touch the 9 EMA, I would love to take a trade off of that. Let's see what the Qs have to say about the 15 minute. The Nasdaq's little cuz. All right. So we did this crazy U-shaped recovery. I have no reason to believe that we're going to revisit this value node again.
yeah,
I think it's
yeah.
time to take off, you know?
This was not what we expected last week. No, we expected a little bit lower,
Yeah.
but yeah, here we are today. By the way, good morning, Reverse Grand Rising. Good morning, Randall.
Hmm.
I wanted to call him Paul. I don't know
Paul?
why. Yeah, it's Randall Paul Trader, but
Uh,
it's been
uh,
Randall for weeks now, so I don't know why. Now Paul, but good morning.
yeah, we switched it up. Yeah, man. So that's everything I got, man. What are you thinking? What do you think, partner?
Pop, pop, pop. Well, I agree with you. I'm at the moment I'm long, so I have a small trade going on. Oh, shoot, wait. I did not start I opened my screen sharing, but I did not click start. Just a second
Oh,
here.
yeah, let me get you. You guys are
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Nick, the king of the lower time frames.
Yeah.
You ever
Uh,
hear this guy talk about the 15 second or the 5 second? You better
yeah.
get in the trade.
When you guys say you're on five, I'm on 5 seconds. You're on 5 minutes. Just a quick scalp for now. I'm waiting for the 20s, 29, 20s right now to scalp something off. If we blast through, then I have my TP at 39. But again, nothing crazy. And you know what? I will just close this now. Let's do some just quick TA. You covered the higher time frames from the daily to the 15 minutes. So I feel like I don't have to do all that. But last, that's wrong. Last week we were talking about this area here, 28, 680 to 28, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Two big value area lows, the value area low of the whole range since the bottom in April, then the value area low of the downtrend from the all-time high to the most current low that we made the other day last week. Uh, and we consolidated here. I don't want to say that we just went through, but we consolidated here a little bit, bounced two times, almost two times from the 4 hour 14 SMA, and now we are pushing. So no questions. I mean, I'm not questioning the uptrend or the move up. This is also a break of structure on the 4 hour, right? So we took these highs here that we had. I can, you know what? I bet we're gonna come down and revisit this zone at some point and have a reaction. Since we just went through it right now, right?
That'd be a good place.
I think. So this was previous resistance here this week. Now we haven't touched it. It just went through on the 4 hours. So let's see. I won't delete it. I know that all of these things are the same color, but that's fine with me. Interestingly enough, we never came down to fill this 4 hour fair value gap and something else we marked here. I believe it was a 1 hour week or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So that makes me think now, makes me wonder, was this a law? Just this? Just this?
Mm-hmm.
Is this bottom market structure? Well, I wouldn't be surprised, but somehow it doesn't feel like the bottom market structure. So let's see, but that's the question for a little bit later on when we decide to have a pullback. For now, I still have this 29066 naked weekly point of control. It was naked, now it's been touched several times since we have it on the chart. So we might see something here, but the bigger zone that I would expect something from is 29 um 380 to 280. Uh, we have massive volume node here beginning, and this was the bottom of the range earlier. So I'm very curious what will happen here. Let me see the, yeah. And other than that, really, I don't have. I will add an alert here. I don't have anything else. Just let's just follow the market structure. We followed it down last week, last 2 weeks. Now it's time probably to follow it to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, you know, as you always say, trend is your friend, and right now we are definitely trending higher. Every pullback is a buying opportunity. You can even see last, this was yesterday, if I'm not wrong, Monday. Yeah, straight up, came down to the 14 SMA, continued pushing. 30 minutes looks the same. Like just a pullback, the just initial sell off after the markets open and we are going. So if you're gonna day trade, if you're gonna scalp, I think it's longs are the way.
Mm-hmm.
At least until 29 300, something like that. Then I might expect a little pullback and then see from there again. But for now, I think we are. And you said we have another what, 1,000 points?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be 30K.
Yep.
Yeah, why not? I mean, that was, yeah, and we have the zone here too. So yeah, my question is only like, will we pull back here from the zones that I just mentioned, and how much?
Yeah.
Uh,
That is the question.
that's all. Are we going maybe to have some kind of how do you say, catalyst for a quick drop just to fill this thing to make the actual bottom. Although if we go back to 4 hours and if we go back to the April, look, we never came back. Just decided to go and we went. We never came back. So
Yeah.
this may happen here again. So yeah.
Right.
Money flows looking okay. Let's say if we when we manage to switch this money flow back into the green, then yeah, then it's gonna just go. And we can see that even RSIs at the beginning of the move of the at the beginning of the move in April, RSIs were like this, spread apart. We are spread apart like this. So let's see if we can pick up the second RSIs so they come together like they did here, and then we just continue the grind for whatever weeks or potentially months. Yeah. Other than that, yeah, I don't have much.
Yeah, I completely agree, bro. Like the trend is your friend.
Yeah.
It's bullish. You know, one thing I used to struggle with as a newer trader when I was just getting started, or not even just getting started, the first couple of years of trading, it's like, okay, when the trend is bullish or bearish, it's kind of like you got to rank it on a scale from 1 to 5, like how bullish we are. And
Oh,
right
okay.
now,
Yeah.
I feel like the market is like, if 5 was super bullish and 1 was, just bullish, like we're going up. Like
Mm-hmm.
if I had to pick, I would choose up, but I'm not so sure. And I would say we're pretty close to like a 4.5 to 5 right now. Like it's extremely bullish.
Definitely looks like it. One thing that I don't particularly like when we have those kind of push, in hindsight, that will be, oh yes, it pushed just a pullback and you go long and that's it. And somehow I got burned many times when everything went, or when a ticker went up fast, it
Mhm.
usually came down fast.
Yeah,
And for some reason with stock market with NQ, that's not always the case.
right.
So, and that happened also in April when I was like, you know what, we're gonna go up, but we have to come lower. We have the zone that we have to fill.
Hmm.
And then we had the push. I was like, okay, it has to come down, and it never came down.
It never came.
And
Yeah,
just
you
at
can
least
always
for a
tell with
pullback,
that.
okay, bottom might be in, but I want a small pullback, and then I go in. I never went in. So yeah, this could be a beginning of a new run that we were
Yeah,
talking about that will come after the summer or maybe even this month. Who knows?
yeah. It's back
Mhm.
till you're wrong.
Yeah. By the way, Randall says hello for run up yesterday. I only traded in the morning 2 trades for $200. But wow, should stuck around. Now I'm looking at where does the market need to go. Yeah, needs to go
Right.
in our pockets. In our
Mhm.
pockets.
Yeah, right.
Um, so yeah, what did okay, that was actually a perfect exit from my side a little bit earlier. We are still consolidating here.
Mm. Love to see what this 1 a.m. candle's got for us.
Mm,
So if I gotta be patient enough to wait for that, I do. But as soon as we touch the 90 MA again, I'm going in. So I'm excited. I'm waiting for that. I'm looking at it on the 15 because the 15 90 MA is being respected. So I like to look where there's already respect in the market and just kind of get on board with the same level of respect, not kind of like try and force it to respect any particular new time frame. But I'm seeing that the 15
mm.
minute has the
Yeah, I
utmost.
just put it on the 15, but feel free to switch the screen, bro.
No trades for you right now.
No, no, no. I took profits. I made a couple of hundreds, and now I'm gonna wait
All right. I'm leaving
for
my
now.
alone. I think I'm going to try and pass an eval real quick, add to my funded portfolio here. Let's see what we could do.
I'll be honest, I can't wait to open up a live account.
Yeah. Yeah, I've done that a few times, and I just feel like I need to do it with more money. So, I mean, options has really been working for me lately for whatever reason. Uh, I really think that futures has a lot to do with it, just because you have to be so precise with your entries and futures, and with options, it almost doesn't even matter how precise you are with your as long as you know where it's going. And the thing is, I've gotten pretty decent at just knowing where price wants to go next, which is, one of the things, like, I feel like every trader kind of hones in on it. When you first start, it's like, okay, you might be a little clueless, and then you start to figure out where stuff goes and things start to click. But when you know where price wants to go next, that's when you can really win at options. And with futures, you need to know that. Plus, you need to have a good entry.
Yeah.
But as long as what I'm learning about futures is just as long as you don't go too heavy, then you're gonna get enough chances to be right. Or if you just have a generous enough stop loss, you'll get enough chances to be right.
I agree there with you, man.
You know? And we're rarely wrong around here. We sometimes we're mistaken, but we're rarely wrong.
Yeah, you said that right. Yeah, you said that nicely. Yeah.
Yeah, so just waiting out. I mean, it's the price is acting like it's scared to come down, but I don't think it's as scared as it's pretending to be. I think it wants to drop a little bit. Um, but we might have already, come and grab liquidity.
Yeah, we have 1 a.m. candle in 20 minutes, so let's be cautious.
Yeah, did you trade it all yesterday?
Did I trade yesterday?
Yeah,
I did, yeah, but yesterday I did good and then I gave everything back and then I just stopped. So now with this trade, I almost made it back, almost everything from yesterday, so all good.
that's good.
Um, but yeah, I longed it, then I was expecting a pullback, I shorted it, and that was it. But I was expecting more, so I kept shorting it.
Yeah, pullbacks are hard to come by here. This market doesn't behave very normally. That's why I gave it.
Yeah.
Oh, he said, Randall said he's short right now. Never traded options personally. I had a friend who was a magician at options. Scares me a bit. Yeah, Randall, I feel you. I'm really happy to know both. My mentor originally just taught me options. Um, and he doesn't even really trade futures like that. He has mostly trades gold when he trades futures, but like me and QQQ, we've really got a thing going on. Like we're starting to fall in love together. Like, we're gonna run off and into the sunset together one of these days. The way things are going. I'm really appreciating QQQ. Gold is great. I've heard people say great things about gold. It's just like I don't know. Like I can't dance with gold. Like the rhythm it's a little off for me. I like gold. Like, gold might be okay to try out for a night or two, but like me and NQ, it's like seems like a long-term relationship. Like we're starting to really get to know each other, which is funny because I don't really see the short, but because I see that we came and swept liquidity already to the downside, but I see that the MACD is really confused right now. Doesn't look like it wants to, doesn't look like it's in a position to push. So, could we have a nice drop? I know you had mentioned something about that, Nick. So, what are you guys seeing that's giving you the idea that we should be dropping right now?
Well, earlier I was long, so I don't see. I don't see shorts yet. This might be consolidation, maybe very short time frames, small time frame shorts. Uh,
Might be a scout.
yeah, For
I
now,
mean,
let's see. I want to like if I'm on 30 seconds, if you start losing the structure, then like the lows at 970 or 960, then okay. But before that, I'm no, just follow the trend for me. Um, and you can see this nice reset that we did at was this 2 a.m. I guess 6 p.m. your time. Does that make sense? Tuesday, August 4, midnight. That's 2 o'clock. Okay, that's 2 o'clock here, like 2 a.m. for me. At 8 o'clock yesterday. So 8 o'clock p.m. for you. Um, we had that push down that probably took all the liquidity that it had.
yeah,
Then a
yeah,
massive move up. Now we are chopping. So ah,
yeah. We're
I
right
would
around the midpoint of that big move.
I wouldn't expect a big move down from here right now. But that's just me. If things change, if things change on the chart, then okay. But I don't see a reason why here and now.
I just want, if we can get to 980, I'm happy. I'm looking at the value of the 9 EMA and, either 980 or actually, let me see, what is the value of our 14 SMA? Let me see that value there. Okay, 14 SMA, we're talking 973. So really about the same area. If I can get between the two, I'm happy as a kid in a candy store. I'll go along few contracts. Probably just want to scalp because we're consolidating. I don't know if I want to like be patient enough to wait for the breakout. I love the idea of it, but maybe I'll go in once. I really only want to take two trades this session. I don't, at least on this account. If I take two good trades on this account, I'll switch over to another one. Make some money there too.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, yesterday I did a trade. First trade was amazing, and it was broke through the 20s, I believe. Then we pulled back and again pushed from the 20s. And I was like, okay. I was thinking about you actually because it was a spot on, like picture perfect trade.
Mm-hmm. Love that. Love that for you, man. Especially when we breaking through them 20s, them 80s. It's
Yeah.
exactly what we want to see. The reaction at those levels is usually a good one. Some of the best trades we had were off of those levels, actually. So, oh man, we still can't get to the 90. Man, it's too far down. It's too far down, which means we're really bullish, or it's just that a different time frame is kind of in control. The 15 minutes, not really. Price isn't acting like the 15 minutes important, but the cool thing about it is 15-minute candles come less often than the all the ones under them. So eventually, the 15 minutes gonna have its day, its time, and we're only looking for five more of them, including this one for the stream. And I definitely don't have a problem putting money up to say that we're gonna hit this 9 EMA before the end of the stream. I know we didn't talk through all the touches of 9 EMA. So we wait.
We patiently wait. And let's be aware that EMA can come closer to the price too.
EMA can definitely come closer to the price.
EMA, SMA, whatever MA, right?
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely. You're right. It could just go sideways and EMA could catch up. But as soon as I see them come together,
Kapow!
um, because it looks like that sort of, this is really starting to look like a flag now, like a really beautiful bull flag. And I think that we are going to make a higher high. for this session.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Mm-hmm.
inevitable, you know.
Yes, sir.
I would love to say, hey, we're gonna pull back first, but I I mean, like I said, we're talking like four and a half, five out of five on bullishness. So you don't always get pullbacks when the market's this bullish. You just gotta know that. You just gotta know when the market's so bullish, not to look for, the retracement, the pullback, the fib retracement, any of that, because the market, there's so many buyers that it's not that those things aren't happening. Theoretically they're happening, but the buyers are so aggressive, they're absorbing all the selling
Yeah.
pressure that would bring that price down that you're used to seeing. So that's just like a testament to the bullishness. So when you see this imbalance and you're like, oh, well, I'm really waiting for my setup, like I get it and I totally understand. But
Environment changed, so you have to change or adapt your setup.
exactly, you gotta adapt. You gotta adapt to how bullish is the market. So that's just kind of one little thing I've added to my toolkit in 2026 that I didn't have in 2025, where I just thought, all right, the market's bullish, it's bullish. My strategy should work. But when you look
Yeah.
at what's changing from a week to week basis, um, as the market just kind of moves and flows with current events and all the things going on, then yeah, you have to look at the different factors. That's definitely a factor.
Yes, sir.
Man, it's push. Price is pushing.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Make sure you say hello. Don't be lurking over there, just watching. Say hello. Smash that like button at least if you don't want to say good morning.
Yeah. Feel
Randall,
you, bro.
Randall
Randall
is
said,
looking for the pullback in the Asian session. This is why I'm short. All other arguments are valid. Okay, fair enough.
yeah.
Fair
Asian
enough.
session usually does give a pull. I mean, if you go back to like early this year, like, March, April, May, like Asian session was notorious for as soon as it opened, it was gonna make a
Yeah,
high.
yeah.
And from there it just floated down for like the rest of the set. We caught a lot of those shorts.
Oh yeah, only shorts of not of the session, but of the whole trading day.
Yeah.
Well, good morning, good evening, Zar Trader. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Appreciate you.
Mhm.
Appreciate you saying good morning or hello. That's it.
That's it. That's all. We
That's
appreciate it. You will definitely see what's going on. So,
it. Now, if you share with us what you're trading, if you're trading, what do you prefer? If you have something that you see or you don't, or whatever question, that's just a bonus for us.
mhm. Right. So I'm kind of with Randall here just because we're consolidating. We're
Mm-hmm.
coming closer to that 1 a.m. candle.
Mm-hmm.
But another thing that's interesting is you kind of look at, and it's never like really a solid indication, but it's interesting to see like every other candle is a different color for the last like hour or 2 hours, right? You got
I know what that means for NQ. The big move is coming.
the big move is
The
definitely.
big, not only big, but the fast and explosive one.
Mhm.
It will just go probably. What I wouldn't be surprised. We saw that last week too, when 1 a.m. candle comes and it just takes off.
Could. Definitely could. I kind of want to short the topic consolidation, but when you
Me,
look at it, if every other candle is red,
I'm long, by the way. I just opened the long at 29,008.
oh, hey, oh, okay, let's
I won't aim for too much. I won't aim. I don't have a target, to be honest. We are at the 20, so I'm aware of that. I probably will scalp some quickly here at the 80s. Maybe, yeah, 8 out of 10 contracts. If we manage to get here, 17, 19, let's put it at 20. There we go. Uh, one of those like market conditions right now where we are going higher, but we are chopping higher. So uh, quite good scalping environment.
But yeah, we got buyers and sellers participating, but I feel
Yeah.
like the buyers are definitely winning because price is going up, right? We got like a
Yep. Yep.
kind of
Yep.
like
Yep.
a rising, what is that, a rising wedge kind of
Well,
pattern.
I'm not sure how you call this. I'm on 30 seconds, so let me zoom out for a second because yeah, this is this is just a chop yesterday, then classical liquidity sweep, just a sell off at the end of the or beginning of the new day,
Mhm.
and big push up. And now again, yeah, this could be at this pennant, rising wedge pennant, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And this is something that usually happens at the top of the price action, top of the candles. And I always want to short this, and I always get stopped, and it just blasts up. That's similar. I will let me just exit the trade here. Come on, take it 2 points away. Um, there we go. Let me adjust this stop, sell. We need two contracts here. I'm gonna put that slightly in profit. I don't wanna risk anything else. And let me switch quickly here to SPY. This is very similar to what we had um, earlier this year after the move up on after April at 6:30. That's the pennant. There's something like no 30 minutes, but sorry, 6:30 here. If you look at this price action here, quite similar. Not the same, but similar. And I wanted to short this. I was waiting for a pullback here, and we just once we reclaimed this level, we just went up. So I would be careful with NQ and shorts right now.
Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna short it, now's the time. But I really would be careful. I would just expect maybe a little reject off the 20s, but I want to see how aggressively we start to eat into the 20s
Yeah,
of Q of
yeah.
the 29. If it gets really aggressive, then you might be able to do like a breakout trade for a new high of the session. If it doesn't get aggressive, then it might be a good time to short, look for a sweep of the lows, and then as soon as you get to the bottom of kind of this little flags trend line, then you're good. If we break that trend line, then shorts might actually cook. But yeah, it was definitely wise of you to take some profit when you
Oh
did.
yeah, this was a scalp. We said it at the beginning. Scalping environment. I'm gonna do scalping. And speaking of which, we have 5 minutes until the hourly closed. Okay, we have push up here on a small time frame, and we just opened this 5 minute candle, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, a minute ago. You know what? I'm gonna take one more contract
Order
out
filled.
here. There we go. I have one runner. That's it.
It's cool. I actually decided to short the market here.
You might be right. You might be right,
Yeah,
but
might get run over. I don't know if we're ready to break out.
yeah. When we have 5 minute candle just open, and that's the last 5 minute candle of the hourly. So and we first went up,
There you
so we
go.
might come down now. So
Yeah, I mean we're in the 20s. We're
and look,
above
15. Yeah, excuse me,
foundation.
I jumped in, but 15 seconds is giving me some small, tiny bear divs.
Okay.
So let's see, maybe we make another high and then have a quick dump of, I don't know, 10, 20 points, maybe more.
Yeah, I
Let's
just
see.
want to see. I would love to see the 80s again, but
Hmm,
I'd really be happy with like you said, like 10, 15, 20 points.
there we go. We are losing the EMAs on 15 seconds. Let's see, 30. 30 is at 14 SMA, so careful.
Yeah, I think we need that 1 o'clock candle to
Yeah.
go our way.
Yep.
Very nice.
There you
Very.
go. Nice.
All right, so we're almost at 5 points. All
There we
right.
go. There you go.
Okay. Can I get 10 points? Because
I'm stopped out in profit, so perfect execution. And you got a perfect entry.
yeah, we ate. We ate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. So
Order
I'm just gonna
filled.
take that. That was like a little 12 pointer. Look, we're consolidating. I'm just scalping the consolidation. Nothing crazy. Not looking for a home run right now. I don't expect this thing to like go down to the dirt or anything.
Mm,
But if we can retest that 9 EMA, then I'll go long and I'll take it from there. Because we still haven't touched it. But like you said, the 9 EMA on the 1 o'clock candle could come to price,
mm.
and again, that would still be a good entry. Look at that. Look at that. All right. All right. Here we go.
Oh,
And with all these, I mean, the pattern has been green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle, right?
yeah.
So that means the next one could be red. Oh wow, this one really dropped. Got a nice drop there. It's a reject of the 20. So you got 15 points. Nice.
Nice. You have perfect trade. Perfect
Yeah,
trade.
absolutely.
Um, 30 seconds until the 1 a.m. candle. Buckle up.
Buckle up. I'm glad I'm not in the trade when 1 a.m.
Yep.
comes. At 1 a.m. is full of surprises. I didn't check that. I was asking if you traded yesterday, like around 1 a.m. Or I was asking if you traded
Uh,
yesterday, and I meant to ask you if you had traded around 1 a.m. to see if we had.
no. I traded actually New York afternoon. Like I was, what was the time? Like around noon, 1 p.m. actually, New York, something like that.
Okay, there was a little, so I just went back and checked. So there is a little bit of a volume spike at 1 p.m. yesterday, but it was really just going along with the trend.
Yeah,
Here we and look
yeah.
at that, the price went right back up.
Uh-huh.
So if you scalped with us, you made money, but just you got to recognize it's a scalping environment.
1 a.m. candle is here.
That pushback to the 20s was just another entry for shorts because we're already down 17 points, less than a few minutes. So that was great.
That was yeah.
It's there. Can we dip?
Kitty cat, you cannot jump on my iPad. I'm sorry. Come here.
Yeah, what was it? A spider that identified as a cat the other day. Great.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it went on the keyboard, you said.
Oh, it's crazy. The cats just love to get in
Uh,
your space and right in your
yeah, yeah. But only whenever they want.
when they want. Exactly.
When,
How dare you touch me when I didn't ask you to?
yeah.
Okay, I'm looking for longs here. If we can just get to a little lower, I think.
You might get the 80s, bro.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. We're kind of breaking the little flag trend line, so I'm gonna sit back and just see how bad it gets.
We have some levels. What is this? 15 minutes. So we had double candle. Here's at 67, then 76. We have a nice wick on 1 hour. Look at the previous candle, not previous candle, but one candle before that. Like all the way from 70s to the 30s. Let's see how this wants to play out.
Let's see. Okay, we are hanging out under
There you go.
21K,
We have
so that
5 minute 14 SMA here. Taking the lows. 10-minute 9 EMA. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, wait.
Oh, we kissed the 9 EMA on the 15th, so
Yeah,
uh,
almost.
I'm
Almost.
gonna I'm gonna go ahead and take longs in just a second. If we can, I think I'm being greedy because I want a few more points down. I think it might be
Wow. Initial reaction was amazing. Already up, what,
yeah,
10.15 points.
yeah, yeah. I think that was
Okay, I think we are ready to go.
yeah, I think so. I would love it to just push down one more time, but I might be asking too much. So
Mm.
I might get an aggressive entry. If I can get to 2903, I'd be really happy. Be really
I
happy.
mean, I went in. I will put my stop loss very
There,
tight here, and of
Order filled.
course,
there we go. I'm
you're
in at
gonna get your
2904. Not bad. Okay.
Europa.
Okay. That's what I really wanted. So
Order
gonna
filled.
add to it.
I got stopped out, but wow, okay,
Yeah, okay.
not quite what we expected.
At all. But I'll take it.
Is this a double bottom on the 5 seconds? Could it be? It could. I will give it a go. Although we really might see the 80s.
Yeah, I think this is kind of I'm gonna try for a breakout trade. So I do have my stop at 88. So if we do come down to the 80s,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
I'll be out. But I am long right now. Average
Same.
price 2903.
Okay. I don't even know where am I. 998.50 right now. Still for like 430 bucks secured. That's okay.
That was a nice push down, I swear. Okay. Now here we go. Oh, snap. Okay, the price is not done going down.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna close this break even here. And
Seeing what
let's see what will happen.
seeing
Since I'm on these small time frames, I sometimes I close the trade like this, when sometimes if I want to go long, I want the price section. I mean, I want the price to go up immediately, almost immediately. So,
Mhm. In that time frame, I would expect so. It's like you see something you needed to play out in a few candles, and
yeah,
then
yeah. And if it doesn't, okay, but I just don't want to participate there.
yeah,
Excuse me.
good, all good.
Okay, this is the third time we are coming here. This could be potentially entry. Let's see. Let's
Yeah,
see.
gonna hold or gonna break through. Holding looks like we're holding. I think we're just trying to get enough juice to push through the 20s. So I think it could come up really fast.
I mean, oh wow, the slippage is also higher here. Okay. This was like what? Then it comes down. Come on, push them now.
Okay, we're looking for longs now.
I will again set my TP1 the 20s. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, great environment to scout. Oh, great, 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 great. Oh man, new place has carpet. Not a fan of carpet, but this is why.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh, you moved successfully?
Yup, yup. Just a few hours ago. And we're still good.
Congratulations. That's always a thing.
Yeah, no, it's cool. It's cool. I like it a lot. I'm making sure I take good care of my new carpet. 'Cause I do not want to have to vacuum. Like, what do you call that? Carpet clean. I don't want to do this carpet cleaner thing. I just moved in, but I might. I might do it anyway. Who knows?
Yeah. Well, reverse says I got my account set to 300. I lost the 300, so I'm out till tomorrow. Thank you. Um,
Makes sense. Makes sense. Reverse.
Smart thing to do if you set the rule like that. Perfect.
Yep. Loss limits are definitely golden. That's why I only want to take a few trades. Like if I lose two trades, I'm really just gonna put this thing down, switch accounts, and even if I do switch accounts, I'm gonna be careful not to make the same mistake on there. Trade and chop is never good unless you're catching one side or the other. And we patiently waited for our entry here, so that's the only thing.
Yes, we did. And again, I don't particularly like how we are just chopping around here. This is bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, very short time frame, like immediate short term. I don't like it. Um, let's see the squeeze to the 20s again that I would like. We might see it right here. We might see it right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Come on. We closed above all these weeks on 5 seconds. Let's go. This is the second zone here at 29,008. I would love to see a candle close above it. Come on, hold it 2 seconds. That's good. I think we are about to push.
Mm, I'm still long at oh 03, so I would love to see those. I'd love to see the 18. I'd love to see 20. I'll probably take half of this out at 18 if we can get there.
Oh,
Uh,
wow.
we'll see.
I know. Damn.
See.
Okay.
That
Stop
was a
filled.
short entry.
Well,
So
I'm out.
yeah,
Okay. Where am I at? 260 profit. Okay, I gave something back that I made earlier. Okay, okay, okay. But is this time too short? That's a good question. Yeah. Um,
looks like we're making a Kamehameha pattern. Like, we're gonna expand the down, we're gonna expand the lows and expand the highs. That's what it looks like, but I don't know. It hasn't stopped me out yet, but it's close. It's close.
well, I'm short. I'm aiming for the 80s now.
Yeah, I mean, we keep
And
visiting.
if we go other direction, if we bounce from here, then I'm gonna take a break for a little while
Stop
to
filled.
just see because okay, that was a place to go long. I could have taken my profits there. Since we are failing now, I guess the next target is the 80s. There we go. Can we make back what we just lost? That would be lovely. Or it's gonna just come again like halfway and then reverse. I would need little bit, just a little bit more. I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even or slightly in profit, but there we go again. Push up. Um,
Definitely. Love to catch a push, but it looks like it does want to kiss these 80s. I'm not gonna lie. Is it gonna go all the way? It looks like it wants to go all the way.
yeah. Well, we are holding. I'm out. I will take my $100, $120. What did I make? Let's see, 300. Say $110. Okay, scalping. I don't. Uh, I'm. I don't trust it. I just don't trust it. Both of those longs that got stopped were first in profits, and now okay, this
Order
was
filled.
okay. Full TP hit here. Now these are the 80s. Are we going long here?
I did.
blindly.
Not
Let's
25.
go
Mm-hmm.
from the 80s. Let's go. Don't do this at home. This is now pure. There's no market structure that's telling me let's go long. This is purely the 80s, nothing else. Funny how the macro dynamics in the Asian session can change for my if it runs up, it runs back down. Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it just goes crazy like that. Wow, whoa, okay, nice. Let's go. Can we
Yeah,
see the
it's
20s
tough.
now?
I don't know if it's just a little bounce or not, but I'm tempted to just take profit and not try and get a whole lot. That's been working for me lately.
Yep.
This is choppy, man.
Mhm. But look, again, before we went long at 9996, 29K, right? We said 80s are coming for a long.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, we got stopped then because we went in before our target, and this was the 15-minute 14 SMA.
Mhm.
It, it actually is right here, right now. So,
Yeah. We got 1 minute until the new 15-minute candle, and if we can keep going, we're gonna make a green one because the last one was red.
mm,
And keep doing this pattern. See it?
Randall's TP is at 924.
Okay.
924. You mean to
2.5%
for the low, for the short? Okay.
for the short.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See what he's cooking. We got to retest this trend line that we just broke to the downside. Barely broke it. Really barely broke it. Then we can get the Randall drop. Um,
Defend.
I just want, oh my gosh, it's not trying to give it to me. It's not trying to give me my points. So
Order
I'll
Where
take
are
filled.
you long or what?
I was long, yeah. I just took gains. I don't like it. I don't like this price action. Oh, wow. There, that would have been it. Next candle was green, as mentioned. But oof, that was nice.
Come on. Let's go. Just open the candle. I would probably take some out.
Yeah, yeah. It's could be a little trappy. I don't know what's
You
going on.
know what? I won't do it. I will just put my stop loss at the break even. I mean, a little
Oh,
bit in profits and
there you
do
go.
it. Do it, Carlos style.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Simple
Mm-hmm.
inner focus.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Yeah. If I
Let's
help,
go like 340, that's 700. Okay, I should probably close this now soon. Why not? Why risk it? Why give it back? Can we have one more push?
looks like we want to go back to these 20s. That was a little breather, but we're still bullish. Let's see what's happening. Or either that or we're going to test the trend line and then drop. So, and of
Yeah.
course, price will go up or down, is pretty much what I'm saying. Randall says, look at the hourly. Okay, let me see. Let me see, my good friend. Okay, what do you see? The hourly. Okay.
Why did I just give it back? Why did I give it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nick. Yeah, Nick.
Yeah, I see a big volume node that could push us down to, okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. And then that would complete the flag to the downside, right? And then boom, go long at the 20s, the 920s. That'd be sweet.
Oh, that would be an early Christmas gift, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, this I don't trust this anymore. I don't trust this anymore. Don't play with me like this, bro. Bro. And this was 84 to 90, like nice 15, 16 points trade, like scalping. Whoa, why? Why? There was no need to aim higher. I mean, there was at least a little bit higher here,
Yeah, right.
just to fix the structure on the smallest time frames that I have. There we go.
Yeah. Okay. Is that you push?
Thank you, thank you,
Push. That's
thank you
crazy.
very much.
There
Much appreciated.
we go. Yeah, it touched the 70 cents. It's crazy. 18. Here go my T. My T is okay. Okay. Pushing.
I would hope so, but now we are again losing this kind of a flag on 5 seconds. I mean, you understand I'm on 5 seconds, so it's not.
Listen,
Doesn't mean anything for the 15 minutes candle, but okay, maybe just a fake. Oh, come on, but I need a push here. I need a push here next 10 seconds. Otherwise, I'm gonna just close it. And it's struggling, bro. Whenever we come here, it's struggling. Like there is whatever a seller's wall or something. Come on, push. But if we push from here, then we might really see the 20s.
if we push from here, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. We could. We push through this resistance. If we get above 29K, here he comes.
Yeah. Okay.
There it is.
Yes. Come on. Thank you. Thank you that for the strength for me to stay patient enough to. Yes. Okay. And now I don't want to play around. I will take 8 contracts, market sell. Why cannot? Okay. Thank you, trading me, for not letting me do that. I wanted to do it at the highs. I'm gonna do it here. I don't care. Just take it. Limit, sell, stop. Oh wow, what a push. Come on, 20s. There we go.
It's coming for him.
Oh my god. I stay patient, then I don't. That's 800. You know what? I'm gonna close this uh, at the 20s, no matter what. At the 19. There we go. Sell. I'm closing this at the 20s. Wonderful trade, 30 points. No, more. 40 points, almost 40 points. Uh, I realized yesterday that it's stupid not to take profits or most of the profits at 20, 30 points trade.
Yeah.
Like,
20, 30 points.
that's freaking, wonderful. You cannot ask for much. Yes, intraday you can have a bigger move, of course. But what you just said before, like earlier for options, like consistently doing whatever 100 $150,
Mm-hmm.
which means consistently taking 15 20 points trades. I mean,
Yeah, you don't have to like hit a home run every time, you know.
mm, you know
Mhm.
what, we hit it so many times that we got used to it.
That's it.
We were
That's
hitting like 70 pointers, 150 pointers like every second day. It was normal.
oh,
But bro, that's we
and we
cannot
still
expect
do.
that.
We still hit them, pretty often.
Yeah,
But
and then brother goes to sleep with one contract and he makes like 1,200 points. Great, like come on. Of
it's
course, we won't take like 20 points after we get 1,200.
you know, yeah, it's kind of difficult. It's kind of difficult, but I mean, it's really only difficult because you make it difficult.
Yeah,
So
of
just
course, of course. Around a nice impulsive move to say, hey, let's hit 29, then we can dump it, sucking in new longs. Yeah, could be,
possibly,
could
I
be.
would say I'd at least say 29.20.
Yeah.
I'd say 29.20. And then if we dump it, okay, we could dump. I mean, here's the thing. The MACD is saying that we're wait a minute, is that bull divs? Is that bear divs? See, we're making a higher high. Ooh, we do have bear divs. Okay, he
What
might
time
know
frame? What
something.
time frame? What time frame?
15-minute MACD is showing some bear divs.
Um.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm seeing a higher high on the MACD, but we're making a lower high on price action. So
So you wait. So you have lower high on the price section, but that's hidden bird if I know right. That means continuation. But usually I'm not even sure that the hidden bear divs is a thing. I know that hidden bull divs are a thing.
bull divs have definitely done me right. But yeah, I mean,
No.
divs are divs both
Yeah,
ways.
because we
Mike.
have we have bull divs, for example, we have lower low on the price section and
Mhm.
the higher low on the oscillator, be it RSI, market cipher, MACD, doesn't really matter, whatever you're using.
Yeah,
That's a bull diff. But
yeah,
in cases when we are in a bullish trend and
mhm,
we make a higher low
yeah,
on the price section, but we
hmm
make a lower low, higher, lower high, yeah. So if we make a higher low on the price action and lower low on the oscillator, that's hidden bull divs, and that indicates continuation higher.
right, right. Yeah, no, I see what you're saying too, for sure.
So I'm not sure if that's also the thing with bear divs. Don't. I'm not sure, to be honest.
In my experience, and just speaking from experience, it has worked out. It has worked out, but look at that push. Look at
There we
that push.
go. Come on, tip. Yep, full tippy hit. Let's go.
Okay, give me a little bit more. A little bit
8:33.
more. I like
Nice,
it. I like it. We can up
nice.
it. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. You got it in you. You got it in you. Give me the 20s. I want like 21, 22, so I can really cook. And I mean, you can look at it with a couple different confluents. You can just say that, hey, I'm
Order
trading
filled.
consolidation, or you can say, hey,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm trading the divs, or you can say, hey, I'm just going to short until it gets to this high volume node, which he did point out there's a high volume node near the 900s, and a good place to pivot. So, I mean, I'm short 29.20.
I'm sure 250 at 15.75. Oh, that's a sell limit. Come on. It
Might get,
won't take it. It won't take it. Look at this.
it's just dropping lower and lower.
It did not take it.
Quick
Uh,
liquidity grabbing.
I'm not
Man,
sure. No, I said I wanted to go in, but I was still at the limit order, so it was at 29.15. Never got filled, but I canceled the order right now. I canceled the order.
yeah, with this kind of consolidation and chop Randall, I don't know about adding to a trade either. But hey, I mean, it's a ballsy move, but ballsy moves have paid off in the past.
Okay, now I went back in. My stop loss is very tight. I'm risking maybe $40 here, $50, something like that.
Okay.
Maybe even less. No, maybe a little bit more. No, I'm not sure.
I'm in very late here. So,
Yeah, I went half of the position.
hmm
Yeah, I'm stopped out.
yeah, it's pushing a little bit. It's pushing. You got the tight stop set up, man. I
Yeah,
like.
yeah. I have to, bro. I go in again. I go in again. I had even now I have even worse entry, but okay. My stop loss now is more legitimate than it was earlier. And now I just need like what, $200? Yeah, a little bit more. I need, not that I need, I would love to get it. With this position size, probably I won't have it. I won't get it, but
Right.
nope. See, I'm stopped out again. I'm not. It took one contract only, but I'm gonna get stopped now probably. Yep, I'm out. Where we at? 736. Okay. Made a couple of hundreds, lost 100. Not bad. Risk to reward was there.
Yeah, that's important. The setup was there, so
Oh, but wait a minute. 15-second one, two. This will be first lower. No, no. I just wanted to go in. No.
oh wow, that's
Yeah, I
crazy.
just wanted to say this will be the first lower high after the bear dips on 15 seconds. We might see a quick drop, and I did not manage to go in. Okay, maybe
Snuck
better. Maybe better.
NQ snuck out of her room to go party.
Yeah, but look, like these are all like 10 points move that are being bought back again immediately. So I'm not
Yeah,
even
that was
sorry. I'm
crazy.
not even sorry that I did not go in because I wouldn't take profits here probably.
Yeah, yeah, no, I didn't. I had a great chance to take profits and I didn't. So
I'm gonna go along here. This will gonna break out.
wow, look at the squeeze. Is it really squeezing? Did they just draw us in for the squeeze? That's crazy. I want to see what the next candle does. We got 60 seconds, so let's
Mm,
see. Let's see.
There we go. Longing the top. The freaking top.
The top is crazy.
Crazy. And that's what 5 points. Give me five more. If we
That was
can get it.
yeah, this is choppy. This is choppy, man. Trading chop. We're trading chop top tier though. I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
proud of how well everyone on here is trading chop.
yeah. There we go.
My stop is at 33, so they're coming for me right now, but surviving. Oh, I don't know how long though.
Yeah.
Start. See, I'm over here talking shit. They're trying to come for me now.
You know what? I just made what I lost a little bit more. I'm closing this. I should be 850. Yeah. Okay, we good. My goal would be to make another 150 for today.
Stop field.
Um, if I haven't lost those two shorts now back to back, I would probably leave this a little bit more to run. Uh, Considering I lost two trades, I just took my money back and now I'm gonna watch it push.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know,
Let it break
if
out. A
if
high of the session and
yeah, if someone watching is wondering what the heck I'm doing here, going in and out, that's just a quick explanation. Um, Wanted to yesterday I got burned because of it, so today I'm just taking my money.
yeah, I get it. I get it. I should have been scalping because I would have been profitable right now, but could take a little L. That's my two L's for the day. I think I'm chilling. Just gonna sit back and watch it go up, like you said.
Just chilling like a fan. Huh?
Cooling like a
My,
fan.
my brother and we have some kind of whatever battery fan like portable fan. He comes into my room with the fan in front of his head. He's like, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan.
yeah, right. I'm a big fan.
I'm a big fan.
That's funny. Yeah, nah. I definitely have seen people with those because I work a lot of events. Man, look at this price action. It's not playing.
Nope. Well, Randall, I'm sorry to hear that you still have issues with trade weight. It's entered me into a trade just using my trend line. It has done
Five
that now
times.
5 times. What?
Stupid platform, if you ask him. Uh-uh. They out here messing with Randall's money on him. Okay, okay. I like 36. I actually wanted to long that for 5 points.
Yeah, same here. I'm ready to go in.
I
Let's
want to
see.
take a 5 pointer, man.
Order
Let's
filled.
see.
Nothing crazy.
What's
Just because I don't
this?
like how they
I'm
did.
in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in.
Oh yeah, I'm in. Gosh, I'm gonna take a little scalpy scalp up
Scalp,
in.
scalp. Nice trigger wave on 5 seconds. Let's push. We are at where? We at 40s. I want to go like for the 80s, but let's not be crazy. Maybe we see a massive push, but I don't expect it right now. So I'm gonna take whatever I get. If I get something before getting stopped out. Mm, nope. Okay. Hey.
True was only at 35, so I'm like, man, they really playing. But all I want is 40 something. So
Bro, it takes 3 out of 5 contracts and then it pushes, so I'm still in. Now this makes me want to add. I'm adding here. Just a quick, oh my god. So now the slippage. What? Wait a minute. What did just happen? What did just happen here? Wait, why do I have still 4 contracts? Wait a minute. What did just happen?
blue past the stop loss is crazy. Let's
Well,
see.
bro, this was strange.
Pushing back up, pushing back up. Can we
This
get the
was very strange.
Okay, we got the 40s. Come on. No, it's okay. Finally,
Order
finally got the
filled.
40s. Thank you. I just wanted to scout, man. That's it. Made me sit there for all that time for a scout. You might be right about the 80s, though.
Ah, I mean, it would be lovely, but let's see. But I have no idea what just happened here with my position. No, it was something strange happened. I don't know if I clicked something wrong or slippage ate my stop loss immediately or what the heck happened, but still alive here and my position at the end was much higher than I wanted to.
Hmm.
Anyway, that's what happens when you trade on tiny time frames.
Yeah. Hey.
Sometimes makes me good, sometimes makes me shit.
Nah,
But we
you're
are we
dope.
are good. We are good. 100
I
more
think when
bucks.
you look
Let's
at
go.
the percentage of
Oh yeah.
times you're right on small, dude.
Oh
Like
yeah. Oh yeah.
I've seen you be wrong on some small time frames, like one time to every 10 times that you're right on
Yeah.
small time.
Opa, let's go.
Yeah, here comes
Well,
the.
I appreciate you saying that.
I seriously have a hard time remembering when you're wrong about a move on a small
Well,
time.
some I you know what okay, you know what? That's total PNL. Let's see how can I
Damn.
close this now here. I'm out. I'm out. Account summary, 1017 bucks secured. I'm done with the account. I'm done. It's a 25K account. Uh, so yeah, I don't want to. So I have my first day was 500 minus, then 1000 profit, then yesterday 500 minus, now today 1000 profit. So I'm sitting at 26K instead of more, but by 25, 20, yeah. So but consistency. Yeah, small time frames. What I like about it, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be wrong immediately, and I get the opportunity to go back in. Only thing I have to be careful with is the chop. That's what usually gets me. Like that half an hour, 45 minutes of the chop. That's sometimes where I don't stop. Then it chops me up, and then the move happens. But yeah.
Oh, Randall was talking about bookmap.
Oh,
There's a
okay.
whole bunch of orders at 29,050. So it looks like they got took. It looks like they got took, man, because they got, you see that push at 50? It was just a random, boom, quick little 8 pointer or something like that. And damn, our trade in the 30s would have cooked.
Check Microsoft for a moment here. Oh wow. Where we at? Let me see. Oh, okay. Damn. It pushed.
Yeah, man. Everything tech has been crazy. Risk is all the way on right now. All
Wow. Okay. I mean, I have issues lately with stocks. I cannot day trade them at all. I got burned so many times. Everything went opposite direction. But bigger time frames,
mm-hmm.
which is fun. You see, big time frames with for trading futures are my thing. Like tiny time frames. Yet with options, I can like last 4 months, I can do only big time frames, and I'm talking like 1 hour, 4 hours, and larger.
Yeah, real big. The biggest.
Yeah, from one extreme to the other. I'm gonna be trading 5 seconds or weekly time frames.
That's it. In between.
Keep it simple. I don't know.
Some way to put it. Yeah, the time frames are time framing right now.
Yeah,
Look at that push. That is something else.
yeah. I mean, it's not that we called it.
Yeah.
75's rejected. So, wow, just wow.
These numbers again, the 50s, the 60s, all that. I'm surprised we're seeing this again. Oh man, okay.
You trading something? You want to share your screen, maybe?
Oh no, I'm not trading a thing right now. I'm tempted to go long, but I'm just watching.
Well, now at the top. I mean,
Yeah, I mean we didn't get to 80 yet though. So
true.
you know, it's it's
True.
you did call 80 and you've been right so far, so I'm looking for it. I'm looking for the longs, but it's like where
Order filled.
how short is enough short? You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Do we need to consolidate before we continue or what? Who knows?
Oh. Wait, let me check while we are. Can I check it here so I don't? No, no, no. Dang it. Never mind. Uh, what do we have this week? Nothing much. August 6.
No data, no earnings.
Thursday we have hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate on Friday. That's it.
Until then, clear skies, huh?
Yeah,
Just it's all about whatever Trump says now.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask you now to switch to your screen just for a moment.
Yeah, yeah, I got you. One sec.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
One sec. Swap this. Oops, did not do that. Swap this. Oh yeah, no, we did it. Okay, good. Let's see. Am I still in profit?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Someone's
Okay.
still at 75. There used to be 140 contracts to sell at 75. I don't even have level two data, so it's news to me. But yeah, they got it. They got it. I'm just trying to see if we can get a little piece of this little run back up. Uh, Oh, snap. Wrong one. Yeah, it's definitely this way. There we go. We're pushing a little. There we go. There we go. Okay. Got some points now. There you go, man. Q. You almost tricked me up out of my points. Okay. Mhm. Still good. You tried. Mhm. Very nice. Okay. So nine. Nine. Yeah.
Okay.
Could be like this middle one. Yeah, I'm still watching. Okay. So yeah, this could be. Does it go like that though? You
I mean, okay, I'm done.
said you're in a what now?
No, no, nothing. I wanted to, but no, I'm done. I don't want to trade anymore.
Oh, okay. That was you changing your mind. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's good.
Catching myself off guard.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in a long, but I'm also putting together a bed while I'm in a long, hoping that it just goes my way while I don't pay attention. And sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Sometimes it works
Yeah.
pretty well. Let this be one of them times. Hmm. These, I guess a nine. Yeah, it could be a nine here and a seven there, right? Why not? It could. Mm, good stuff. And just put those across. Gonna be kind of shaky, but I'll sleep like a baby.
And they say you sleep like a baby. What does that mean? That you wake up crying every 2 hours?
I guess like I guess you have to specify how many months old this baby is.
Yeah.
Because a newborn will
Sleeping
be
what
affected.
like a 15-month old like after running all day.
Mhm.
Like,
Yeah,
like a baby sleeping in the afternoon.
sleeping like a baby in a carriage. That's on.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Okay, 1 minute is both flagging here.
Mhm.
There we go.
They didn't scare me out of mine. I'm still, but honestly, it's probably because I'm making a bed. But hey, whatever. Where where'd this come from? Oh, man, yeah, I think I'm uh not excited about not sleeping in a bed so much that I am going to sleep in a bed tonight.
Good. More than good.
Yeah, great. Okay. I need something like this one. Do I need an 8? It's like an 8. This one. Yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. Okay, cool. Let's see. What do we got going on? All right, yeah. I mean, the Bulls, like you said, it's flagging on a smaller time frame, so we're going up, we're going down. If I was really feeling ballsy, I'd add to this thing.
Up
But
and down, side to side, like a roller coaster.
bad. Uh, which one would go in there is the question. Got that. There's only a couple of those left. They gotta go on the other side for sure. All right, bull flag. I'm trusting you back here. I got my back turned to the charts. That's how crazy it is. Well, that answers my question. Which one would it? Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not this one. These. I'm lying. Oh no. Oh no, price action. How could you? Could you betray me? Not bad enough. Yeesh. Well, perfect. It's like a big puzzle. Oh man, look at that. It came back. I think that might be the last drop before the takeoff. You gotta love a small time frame flag. Mhm. Very nice. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're pushing back into the 60s. Seriously? Is it the spread? The spread's not great right now. You were saying that the slippages are.
Yeah, it was earlier. Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm seeing like I should be at 10 points, but it's not easy to get 10 points because of the slippage. Huh. Let's prop it. Are you gonna push or what? Oh, what? You already kind of broke out, so what are you waiting for? Okay, cool. Let's see. We got this. We got that. I'm definitely playing a puzzle right now. Oh, that's the other piece. Oh, let's move this and that. Uh, Pit form has cost me over $200. Man, that's crazy. There we go. No, we're not holding. We're not holding. But you know what? I'm in profit, so let's put my stop at something in profit. Let me just pull a Carlos.
Carlos move, huh?
Yeah, right. The Carlos strategy and the old man strategy, some of the most successful.
Yeah, probably the most successful setups on this channel.
Mm-hmm.
Strategies, I'm sorry, strategies.
Mm-hmm. What's the birthday number for that? Yeah, we're looking at.
Arhanda, trade away, tender me into a trade at my freaking stop loss for another short. So today it's just freaking platform has cost me. Aha, you just said it. I'm sorry, bro. I did not understand.
It be like that sometimes, bro. It be like that, my guys.
Yes. But why don't you connect your trade away to trading view and do it that way? You cannot copy trade accounts that way, but I guess you don't even do that. So, but that's just my guess. Maybe you are trading like 20 accounts. Who knows?
Very possible.
But yeah, guys, we are approaching our the end of the stream. Uh, I want to take this opportunity and thank you everyone for joining. We'll kindly ask you to smash the like button to press that subscribe button. We are 3 subscribers away for hitting 60, and then only 40 more to get 100. And we just might do a first giveaway for the 100 subscribers. What do you think, Donovan?
Yeah, I might could swing that. At least like an Apex eval,
Yeah,
because
nothing crazy. I mean, nothing crazy. We are not monetized. We are not sponsored or anything like that. But to show the appreciation, we might do something. Maybe what we just said, we buy you an eval and you pay the funding for yourself. No, I mean,
it's
but we
only
will,
100 subscribers, so
yeah, we will figure something out. Uh, yeah, we appreciate everyone saying good morning or good evening. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. If you have any recommendations, don't hesitate to write. Um, and yeah, I'm not sure. I think that's all I wanted to say. It's been a nice little session today. And this week is only getting started, so
yeah, the week is young. We are with many days left to make some money in the week. I'm super excited about that.
And we are having a push right here, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm still in my long, so
Let's go. We might get the 80s now. Where is your TP?
uh, I have a standard 75 to 100 point TP.
Standard, he said.
Mm, yeah, but I'll take it early. Once I finish putting this part of the bed together, I'll
Oh,
drop.
wait, you're actually putting your bed together right now.
Yeah, I just finished moving so before we got on the stream, so I am
Okay.
literally putting my bed together so that I could actually sleep when I get off of the stream because I don't like to sleep on the floor.
Yep. Been there, done that. Bed is definitely more comfortable.
Yeah, I'm getting a little old to be sleeping on the floor again. Uh, I could sleep in the couch, but I think my bed will do just fine.
Oh, yeah.
I would like to, but this thing it's too big. I gotta move this. Yeah, that's a do. Yeah,
Think
but right now. Oh
we can,
wow.
oh,
20
it's
points.
pushing. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
okay. You know what? This is where I said I would take profit. I'm gonna listen to myself.
Order
Yes,
filled.
sir. Set the right example for the audience.
Yeah, you guys can have it. You know, it can go to 80. It can go to my full TP, which would have been, I think would have been 20. Would have been the 20s. And it absolutely could. But who am I to complain about profit?
Okay, you took your profits. You have a bed to put together. I think it's time to call it a day here. Call it a stream.
Call it a stream. It's a
Thank
stream.
you. It's a stream. Yeah, it's a it's a stream. It's a stream. Yeah. We have a title for tomorrow. It's a stream.
It's a stream.
A
You
stream.
are so
Mhm.
good. All right. Well, that's awesome, guys. Thanks so much for coming out to the price of patience. Look at that. We did hit the 80s as predicted. We hit the 20s as predicted. I hope you caught some trades. Hope you smashed the like button and definitely hope you subscribed. All right. So
Yeah.
definitely catch us tomorrow around the same time at midnight to trade with us. And in the meantime, in between time, let me know something, Nick.
Yes, sir. Remember that the price of patience is always less than the price of regret. Have a good one, everyone.